When the child is growing, mother will take the child to a teacher for more knowledge. Then mother introduces Guru to the sadhaka to learn more. It is Guru's responsibility to enlighten his Shishya with mantra. So Diksha is spoken of. What is Diksha? Diksha is initiation. Many people think that Diksha is the end of sadhana. But truly speaking, Diksha is the beginning. When you are initiated, you become eligible. In Sri Vidya Sampradaya, the first Diksha is of Ganapati. Om Gham Ganapataye Namaha. This Gham Bijakshara comes from the Dhatu Gamlu. The refined form of Gamlu is Gham. Gham Gachati. Gachati means Saha Gachati, he goes. The Gham Dhatu says that everything is in movement. The whole Jagat is moving. When you want to meditate and find who am I, you need a silence. This oscillation, Sankalpa Vikalpatmika Manaha, should come into a rest. So this Gam Bija leads to silence. This Chalana movement becomes Nischalana, static. From dynamic status, you are refining yourself, you are resolving into silent, static status. Then everything can be taught. Everything can be written on the silent mind, silent buddhi. The mind and buddhi becomes eligible to learn. For that you have to do Ganapati Mantra Sadhana. Then the Guru teaches the secret mantra of Tryakshari. Tryakshari means 3 aksharas. When he teaches the 3 aksharas, the test begins. Aim, Hreem, Shreem are the 3 Bijaksharas. Shreem is the material world. Hreem is the Maya Bijam. Aim is consciousness. So, Aim, Hreem, Shreem. Immediately you are able to understand this Jagat, which is Shreem. The existence of Jagat is depending upon consciousness. Aim. This manifestation of Jagat is Maya Rupam. Maya Bijam is Hreem. Aim is consciousness ever existing. Aim means the Sat Chit Ananda Swarupa Brahma. Shreem is the manifestation. Hreem is the Maya which manifests with the help of consciousness, which is nothing but Ishvara. So this universal secret is taught by the Guru with simple 3 aksharas. Aim is Saraswati, Hreem is Durga, Shreem is Lakshmi. Lalita Sahasranama says Sri Vidyaye Namaha, Mahavidyaye Namaha, Atma Vidyaye Namaha. When your sadhana is based on Shreem Bijakshara, Lakshmi form of worship, that is called Sri Vidya. When our sadhana is based on Nava Durga, 9 forms of Durga, Hreem Bijakshara, it is Mahavidya. When it is towards Jnanam, based on Aim Bijakshara, it is Atma Vidya. From the Karma Kanda, the Upasaka is taken to Upasana Kanda and he is liberated through Jnanam. This is the step-by-step process in Upasana.